So in this video, we're now gonna start creating our follow and unfollow feature. So before we do that, we're gonna add a package for that, just to help us get started real quick. So let's go to our browser, over to follow. Alright, hopefully get landed on this first link. So click there. Once you're in this GitHub repository, in here, we can go ahead and do the same process just as we did in the previous packages. You copy this composer require over to Laravel follow, and here let's open a new terminal interface, paste that, install the package. As that is installing, we can simply close all files. Alright, our package is done installing. Now we can go back. Here, let's copy this command so we can publish our configuration and migrations. So we paste that in there, click enter. Right, our configuration and migration has been added to our resources and database. So now we have to add our traits for our user table. In here, since the user is going to follow and the user can also be followed, we're going to add the follower and followable to our user's model. So here, let's go back, open the user model. In here, let's add, first of all, use follower. Copy this, paste it there. Again, copy, use followable. Alright, now let's copy this one. Paste the path there. Let's copy the other path for follower here on top. And here, paste that in there. Alright, we can now go ahead and just migrate our database. PHP artisan migrate. Alrighty, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.